Hot take, your oil probably sucks because most of you buy oil from parts stores or Walmart or various other major retailers. You know, a lot of you buy oil online from specialty places, I know that, so maybe it doesn't suck. But the oil that you can get in the parts stores and at Walmart and places like that come in generic black bottles and silver bottles and stuff like that, it's just not as good as Schaeffer's, and it probably hasn't been around since 1839 either. So Schaeffer's is the oil that we choose to sell. We love Schaeffer's around here. It's not a very, household name when it comes to oil, but it is very, very good oil. It's very specialty oil. They make it in all sorts of viscosities, as you can see here. I have a bottle of 5W50, I have 0W20, I have 5W30. These are all full synthetic. They make partial synthetic too. They make diesel oil, 5W40 right here. They make it in gallons, quarts, all that stuff. We have all that stuff available over at edgeautosport.com. But mainly, honestly, this oil is pretty incredible. I've seen demonstrations of it myself with my own eyes in action, and the amount of lubrication it provides compared to other oils that I saw demonstrations of in a back-to-back scenario is crazy. It has a molybdenum component to it, and that is a really nice bond. It creates a really nice bond to the metal. It pretty much doesn't allow metal on metal contact. Under severe, crazy, high torque, circumstances inside of an engine, the layer that this thing creates in between the metal components is crazy, and it really can't be penetrated. At least a lot less likely than other oils out there. Now, if you go get another brand, another household name, Motul, stuff like that. Does it work? Of course it works. If you're driving down the road to work every day and you hit the throttle every once in a while and give it the beans, sure, it's gonna be fine. Your engine's not gonna suffer too bad. But you're putting all this money and time into your car. You do oil changes every 3K, don't you? So why not put something a little bit extra, a little bit nicer in the engine and do your engine a solid. Schaeffer's. It comes in a red bottle.